uh, ladies and gentlemen, yeah, I went to get hair solutions. Okay, this is what they call hair solutions. Okay, so if your hair is like that, okay, like this, and then it will goes from this color to this color here. Okay, it will turn back to black color you have, original color you may have. Okay, so that is the magic. So it says that one there, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so it's actually like that. uh, so that is the one there, and then the other one is also the same like that. You can see turning that kind of gray hair to black, totally black natural color. Okay, so that's how it goes. So is black color there. Okay, so you can see it's nice and easy. Okay, the label nice and easy. So you can see stronger hair. Actually they do up to 97% less hair breakage. Okay, so that is the thing there. That is the second one. You can see that is of course beauty banquet. Okay, so packages which I got today, medicines. And then the other one is this one here. That is also like that. See, that's how they do. Okay, you turn your hair color. Okay, the color. Yeah, that's actually the packages. Now let's just take a look on this one here, on that area there. If you look, that is me right there. Of course, yeah, that is me. Okay, so this is another advertisement for men.
First time ever, gradually reducing the gray from your hair is a real possibility. It's as easy as shampooing your hair. Control GX shampoo from Just for Men. What's great about this product is that it subtly restores your natural hair color with each wash. So it's great for someone who doesn't want to get rid of all of their grays, or maybe doesn't want to walk into the office in the morning with a completely new look. Just use it like any shampoo until you get the look that you want. And when you're happy with what you see, use it a few times a week to maintain your look. Before we get started, you'll need to read and follow the skin allergy test instructions and safety warnings included with the product. You'll have to perform the skin allergy test 48 hours before your first use of the product, or if you haven't used in 2 weeks. When you're ready to start, jump in the shower and pull up the freshness tab under the cap. Just massage it into wet hair using the palm of your hands, not your fingertips. This will help avoid temporary nail staining. After working the shampoo through your entire head of hair, let it sit for about a minute before rinsing. After you rinse it out, Wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water to remove any leftover product. Rinse off any surfaces that have come into contact with the shampoo. Looking good. Getting rid of gray hairs has never been easier. Now I'm looking to get a little more gray hair gone, so I'm going to continue using Control GX. That'll help me maintain my color and control my grays.
Yeah, so that is that one there. You see exactly what is happening. So that is for those who doesn't want to remove it. So for me, I totally want to remove it. Okay, so it's not my choice. I did not make it. I'm not a make. So if you look at my technologies, I'm going hairless. I don't like any hair, even single hair on my skin. I don't like even single hair on my face or on my head. No more if the head is expiring, if they're going another color. Okay, so I want to maintain my natural hair, which is black, natural hair. Okay, so this is not my natural hair which you're seeing there, but I bought this one here just to repair, okay, those damage. Some areas here they're saying this can repair the hairs, okay, the damaged hair. Okay, they can repair the damaged hair. Okay, here like they do is nice and easy. So being nice and easy means they can do totally repair, okay, on all the insertions areas. Okay, they can repair the damaged area, the damaged hairs. Okay, it says they will repair. Okay, actively restructures hairs and then fiber deep inside and protect against breakage. Okay, restructures active movement, okay, or that is in French now, so it's in French. So that is actually they repair two times repair. Okay, those damage they can repair two times. This one here, they do the damage repair two times. You can see this is damage, and then that's how it does it, turn it back. And then I think there is another one you can use it. They said you can use it like for salon for yourself. You can go alone, and then you do it alone, and then while you are barbering or you are doing anything, okay, you are saving or you are doing that one. That is also there. And then yeah, that is how they do, and then they repair the whole things. So that is all they do. So repairing it two times. Okay, so otherwise this is by me, Wayne Hassan. That is it all about hairs.